Good morning, guys. Morning, morning, morning. How are we all doing, brothers and sisters? Hey, thank you very much for the gifted, man. Yeah, it's my grandmother's birthday today. It would have been her 80th birthday today. Yeah, she would have turned 80 years old today, whānau. So, thank you very much, brother Reblock, for that gifted, my bro. Thank you, brother. Yeah, whānau would have been her 80th birthday today. Oh, man. I got the notifications on my phone this morning. And yeah, we're gonna go spend some time with my mum today. Probably have dinner with her as well. But yeah, pretty much today's stream is all about my nan today. Just remembering her. Obviously, we will get some work done today, though. But yeah, whānau. Thank you very much for the wishes as well for my grandmother. What we've been doing lately is working on this handle here. So this handle is going to be for a pātiti or hatchet. Okay, so it's going to be for a birthday coming up next month. But good to see everyone. Ngā mihi nui to everybody that's come through as well. I was just making me a tea and getting me an apple and everything. Hope we're all doing well. Thank you very much to all those that joined the gym stream yesterday too. That was a bit out of the comfort zone, that one. Doing that one. But who knows, I might do more of them. We'll do more of them in the future. But I genuinely enjoyed it. It's just hard doing it in like crowded spaces. Oh, it wasn't even that crowded. There was like all the 6 people were spread out in the gym. But yeah, I still get really nervous streaming in public because I feel like that guy. I genuinely feel like that guy. Also, I'm going to try and stream tonight too. Why? Because it is Battlefield beta this evening. Starts today actually, and I got invited. So I really want to dabble in some Battlefield today. Try and get lucky, chat. Try and get lucky and get some games in, get some content, and put it on the YouTube channel, my other one. I really want to try and focus on YouTube uploads on both my channels this year too. Being nervous is totally understandable. Yeah, bro. As well, especially in the gym, something like the gym, eh? It was a bit hardcore. But in saying that, I did enjoy it. Getting to show something else I enjoy doing as well, instead of like just carving in general. I do enjoy going to the gym. I enjoy going to the gym a lot. Or when I can, but yeah. I am cold, man. I might have to get a jersey, eh? Hey, XQSY, where you from, brother? Yeah, so normally when we start our streams, we normally have a bit of a yap first and then we eventually get into it. From the Netherlands, oh okay. Kia ora to the Netherlands, my bro, kia ora to the Netherlands. Oh, some are supportive, some are like mind their own business. But where I'm from, in terms of like streaming in general, where I'm from, it's not really known. If you want cold, shitty weather, definitely come here. I might actually just go and get a jersey. Eh? Thank you very much, Nakura. How are you, man? Let me just get a hoodie. Bro, it's too cold, bro. Cheers, thanks. Appreciate you, brother. Yo, what's that icon next to your name? Got like weird pain in my neck. Oh, true. Yeah, she would have been an 80 today. We'll definitely go and see my mum today, see how she is. And probably over the weekend, go up to my nan and go and take her some flowers. DreamCon. Oh, okay. Isn't GamesCon on soon? GamesCon is on soon, right? Only reason I care about that is because they're gonna show the new World of Warcraft trailer of Midnight. I haven't actually tried out the new retail patch either. Fine guys are complicated. I feel that, brother. So today, she shares this birthday with my cousin and one of my stepbrothers, my dad's sons. And yeah, there's like 3 birthdays all together, but yeah, pretty much today is my grandmother's birthday. The 80th. And my mum turns 60 next year as well. Hoopers. Oh, now I'm warm. My neck. I got no beard to keep my face warm. Yeah, we'll get back into RuneScape too. I'm keen to keep playing it. Yeah, but I still don't know too much about it. But we'll get to it. Alrighty. I'll try not to take too long, chat. My tea still looks boiling hot. Now, let me get the ice. I think I better just start it because it's going quiet. Okay. Here we go. We might have to take this handle and some more. Yeah, just by a bit. Yeah, we might have to. One side is still a bit square, the other side's kind of round, so we'll have to do that. Right. Why are you not replacing? Because I'm renting and it's not my home. Trust me, if I had my own house, I'd have a new fence. But I can't because my fence is cooler than yours because his name's Bob. Yeah. That's why. And plus, yeah, I'm renting, it's not my house, so it's not my job to. I don't own a home. Sorry. But if my fence is cooler than yours, it has a name. We must always trust in Bob. Your landlord is a penny pincher? Ah, not my problem, brother. Fence is a fence at the end of the day. I'm not actually using it. Alright. Yeah, it's not something I personally worry about, my bro. Alright. Alright, so we gotta take a bit off the sides here. Yeah, so we gotta take a bit in here because on the other side it feels totally different and there's less timber on that side. So we'll work on the handle. You can go from there. I gotta take it in some more too. Take it in some more because that's too thick. Alright. There you go.
Track.
Kind of, what is it? It's rata. R-A-T-A. Similar to this mallet right here. Hold up. We're doing a handle for a partiti or a hatchet. So that is the plan right now. It's just to make sure both sides are nice. Morning everyone on TikTok, good morning, good morning. Thank you very much Vladin for the manawa. Kia ora my bro. Good morning everybody, hope everyone had a solid day. Solid evening as well. To all those watching on the strip platforms we're streaming on today. Morning everybody, welcome, welcome. We are currently making a handle for a pātiti. A pātiti is a hatchet. It is for a birthday next month. Yeah, so it's all going down next month. What wood? The timber is rata. So it's like this hard timber here. So R-A-T-A is a speller. What's up, Lesson? How you, my bro? Let me sip my tea. There we go. Thank you, Tucker and Jai Lebs. What's up, JP? You were just smashing all of this out, making sure it's all the right shape. Boy, I'm keen to play Battlefield today. I am down, chat. Use a dank knife mostly. Oh yeah, is that one of those and you carve like that? Like a sharpening knife? Looking good, see Santi on Max. What's up, brother? Alright. I want to get a round as well. Get a nice round on this end here. Just got to figure out what we can use. Oh, what was that? Thank you very much, WTF, for the Galaxy Globe. Kia ora, my bro. I've no idea what that is, but thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much, brother Brandon, for the roses, and Peanut as well. Tēnā korua. So, brother, hope you are having a great day. Cheers, Art Palacious. Thank you very much, brother. You're having a solid day, my bro. I've been up since like 6 o'clock, so got a lot done. I'm that guy, brother. I feel like I get the most out of my day when I've done a lot on the morning side at 12 o'clock. Hence the reason why I prefer to stream in the mornings as well. But this week we were planning on doing a carving stream outside of our normal hours to say hello to everyone else. Where'd you learn how to carve? My uncle taught me, and then I went to NZ Maki, or New Zealand Maori Arts and Crafts Institute, to upskill and learn more, pretty much. Hold up, I'm just looking for a chisel right now. coffee. Oh no, having a tea today. Having a tea today, my bro. You want to hit this with a round. Just making sure I've taken the same amount of timber out on both sides. All good, Emin. You haven't even started it. I'm still here going. FC, thank you very much for that, brother. And Kanan. Happy birthday to your name. Thank you very much, brother Ron. Draw knife you pull works quick on always sharpening it. Oh, true. He's alright, Chad. I think he's just looking for attention. Trust me, he's not the first. Most likely won't be the last. Mahoney and is it Scrappy? Thank you very much. And Joker as well. Raptor. Oh my days. Watch this. I still can't say that word, brother. Still cannot say that word. I'm telling the truth. It's all good. Nate Shot knows me and not you. So what can I say? What can I say, brother? I know you're just looking for attention, bro. It's all good. What happened? What's going on in life? Why are you so negative? What happened? What happened, bro? Who hurt you? Who hurt you, bro? I can't really take someone serious that has a cat emoji as their username. Whatever persona you may be. Yo, Luca, thank you very much for the hearts, my bro. What happened, bro? Why are you being so negative? Thank you, brother Luca. Oh, trust me, he's not bringing me down at all. I'll still have a good sleep tonight, so... I'm just wondering what's going on with him. Love from Hawaii. Hey, taku kanaka. Small bookie. This guy. Pick a number. Bro plays RuneScape. Bro, I just started yesterday. I've only done the tutorial though. Yeah. Water under the bridge. Yeah, pretty much. Dirty water. Dirty water. With a catfish in it. Pick a number from 1 out of 100. Oh, do I have to? Let chat pick a number. Yo, TikTok chat, choose a number, spam a number. I don't like choosing the number. I feel like that guy. $6.7. Don't say that like that I like catfish. 100 Thieves, you watched the COD World Cup? No, brother, this was sent to me by Nadeshot. He dropped into the stream a while back and just dropped in and said hello, and he dropped like 50 gifted, and I said, bro, a hat would have been fine, and he sent me a merch pack. That's not between 1 and 100. What the hell? Thank you very much for the 139 there, Infinite Void, for the 139 roses. Thank you very much for the happy birthdays to my grandmother as well. To those that don't know, today is my grandmother's 80th birthday. Unfortunately, she's not around anymore. But, yeah, just thinking about her a lot today. Thinking about her a lot today. Genuinely, genuinely I do miss her. Every day. She was pretty much someone who brought me up when my mum wanted to go and study. Wishing you a happy birthday. Yeah, thank you, brother. Yeah, it's so long story short, yo, Thedge, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. So in her like last year of living, I didn't tell this to anyone on the stream. She was up and down with her health, and she actually went into cardiac arrest twice. And she had caught COVID. And you know, with all the problems that she had, we were keeping a close eye on her. And then one morning I woke up, told my family, come on, let's go and visit Nan. A minute before we get there, she had passed. I just walk in and then I see my mum, and then I looked at Nan and I went, fuck. And I just told my kids, can you go to the cafe? Go to the cafe and have breakfast, because I didn't want them to see her like that, because they were playing with their grandmother the day before, having good memories. And that's when I pretty much told my kids, you can go to the cafe, take the card. And I sat there with my mum for a bit, and throughout the entire day I just stayed with my nan. Like even down in the morgue, I was there by myself, just sitting with her. Lucky I didn't play mortuary assistant either. Hoi. But yeah, that pretty much happened. And what the fuck, lost loads of weight? I have not. I have not, dear sir, I have not. I streamed at the gym yesterday and you should have seen this. Yo, brother Low Gains, thank you very much for the 57 months, my bro. I'll give you an update on your carving probably next week. This week's pretty full on because it's my daughter's 7th birthday. I can't see it. But yeah, pretty much that whole day I just stayed with my grandmother, and because we had a good subathon the month before, like PayPal and all that kind of stuff, I gave it all to my mum for the funeral. Just because my cousins and my auntie weren't really contributing. And I'm that guy, I'm a man of action. I hate to fuck around, and I just told my mum, here, take this. She tried to say no, and I went, don't worry about it. It's alright. Yeah, had to do like all the Undertaker stuff, sign everything, all of that. That was an experience to go through. The one thing I didn't want to do was dress Nan. I left there for my mum. Got any advice for a carver like myself? The main thing you just need to do, really, take your time. Take your time, no matter what type of carving you're doing. You don't need to rush anything. And as one of the main things that I will say to you, don't be afraid to make mistakes, because you can't really learn if you don't make any. You know, you might stop it. No, I'll just leave it there. Just carry on, smash it, and then if you see a mistake that you've made, for next time you can think, oh, maybe I could go another route. And another one that's very important, always follow the grain. A tree only grows one way, so you shouldn't go against it. Thank you, brother Dylan. Oh, you didn't have to give me a rose, brother. Yeah, I'm down to, you know, try and... Cat. Sorry. Yeah, I'm down to try and give as much advice as I can. But yeah, the main thing is, you know, as you carve, as you go along your way, you will come up with your own, like, your own processes as well. I was trying to bloody process the bloody word. Holy. Yo, Moshcraft over on Twitch. Thank you very much for the raid. Kia ora, welcome everyone through. My name's Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. Just having a tea, and I was talking to someone that was being toxic in the TikTok chat to see what was up, but he wasn't having it. Thank you very much to Sweaty Gronk. This guy's from Australia. And GHXST for the roses. Justin as well, brother Dylan. And what is that emoji? Wait, is that RuneScape? Yeah, I just finished the tutorial the other night and I'm looking to carry on playing it. I was waiting for the hype of it to die down with all the big streamers. But now I want to play it. Thank you, Infinite Void, and Juicebox. Oh, that's what it is. Thank you, brother Jim, over on YouTube. I've got a question for you. Fire away, Clipper. Yeah, I don't know what that guy's problem is. I hope he's all good though. Bro, Void with the 139 again. Bro, I played RuneScape in 2005 to like 2012. When my cousins were playing RuneScape, I was playing Adventure Quest. I wasn't cool enough to jam with my cousins, so I played Adventure Quest. Shout out to my boy Artix and Galanoth, the Dragon Slayer. Any other Adventure Questers in here? What's the question, my bro? I made myself a burger and it was delicious. See what happens when we make our own food? Good. Adventure Quest W. What's that one? Big shout outs to Adventure Quest. Yeah, man. I was thinking of I saw Adventure Quest 3D. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera up again because I need to ask what Adventure Quest Worlds is. Is it like an open world? Yeah, where can I play this Adventure Quest Worlds? Or is it like gone with the wind now? I must ask. Thank you, Callum and Diego. Yeah, where can I play Adventure Quest Worlds? Is it still a thing? It's still around. Is it still alive? Kit. Kit came. Here we have the lonesome house cat, patrolling its area to piss on said spot. Oh, if it pisses, I should probably cover it, eh? I think they can walk around here like they own the bloody place, eh? Shit. DJ Teal was all. Thank you very much for the roses, my bro. Okay, Adventure Quest Worlds. Put me on game. Put me on game. Yes, I played Dragon Fable as well. Yeah, Sweaty Gronk, you're from Australia, eh? Did you play Adventure Quest on dial-up? Yes, I did. When you're standing there for the whole time and then for like 30 minutes and then you just go... I did. Are you from Wellington? Oh, okay. You're like standing there for half an hour just to go... Okay, Adventure Quest Worlds. What's the weather like back home? Oh, bro, shit as. The dragon armor looked godlike. I remember in Dragon Fable, there was this one lion dude and I really wanted his armor, but obviously I didn't know that you had to pay for it. And I was like, fuck, I want that guy's armor, man. When did you start carving? When I was 12 years old. Thank you, brother Void. Oh my goodness, my bro. So what do you do in Worlds? Do you like choose a class? Or do you just weapon things? Thank you very much for the 30 roses, my bro. I need to be put on game with this Adventure Quest Worlds before we keep carving. It's the same but 3D. Okay. Oh, classes. I'm guessing what, like mage, warrior, rogue. That's it. Okay. Wait, samurai is a thing on there? Have you checked out Absolutely Love Chief of War, my bro? It's cool to see our people, like when I say people, Polynesian stories being told by our own. Tell me you smoke without telling me. I don't smoke at all. I don't drink. Why? Because I hate what it does to my people. Mage, warrior, healer. Oh, okay. Sam Mouse, thank you very much for the raid over on Twitch as well. So with these classes, are they like the base and you branch off into off-specs? Thank you very much, Sam Mouse, for the raid. Hope you had a wonderful stream as well. What were you up to today? So I'm asking the chat about Adventure Quest Worlds because I used to play Adventure Quest back in the day when my cousins wouldn't let me play RuneScape with them. Just curious, did you contribute? Oh, I bloody wish I could, bro. If I could be that one guy with the stick at the back, bro, I would have did it. I'd love to be on the next season of Chief of War. I could be that guy fishing and he's like... Bro, I will be the background character. One of the weapons I was curious about though is the one Jason had. Was that teeth studs all over it? Chief of War in Olympia and NZ. One and only two I don't have. Oh, true, yeah, bro. We got free trial. My wife used her phone to get our free trial. And it's only a 7 day, so we're going to watch this week's episode 2. And we're going to wait till all the episodes out and then I'll use my free trial. Would like to see Leia Mano crafted on your channel. To all my Kanaka Maori people out there, if I was to ever carve something from your culture, I'd want to have a talk with you guys first. I feel like for me, I'm not comfortable with, oh look, this is something from Hawaii, I'm gonna carve it now. I'd rather sit down over Discord bed and like talk about it. Because it's one to look at a culture in a book, it's a bit different. Like obviously I'd like to go over and live it, but I can't because I've got kids and a wife and yes, I've got 3 headaches I can't leave. Yeah, I'd rather be immersed in the culture than just say, oh, I might just carve that because I want to. Yeah, it would feel wrong to me. And I have too much respect for, you know, all the cultures around the world and the ones being in, you know, within Polynesia as well. So yeah, if there's any to the bro and to all my Kanaka Maoli in there, yeah, would love to have a kōrero with you guys. Yo, do you think you can give me advice on what you would do? In what sense? What's your favorite greens in the boil-up? Probably watercress, pickle, or puha. What the fuck? No. Thank you very much for the roses. Just seen you watch the eat the hot sauce. Yeah. That was all good. Have you ever welded before? Nah. I do watch Weld Talk though when they make those cool designs. Bro, satisfying. There's an old Rock's career, Roxanne World of Warcraft streaming. I'm with this girl, but before we got together, she was talking to another dude and told me to wait. This is what you do. You don't wait. You know, have well, I wouldn't wait, brother. To be honest, if I was you, you know, I have a life to live as well. And I'm not going to wait around if they're talking to another person. That's kind of a red flag, I'll say. to me personally. Thank you, Lady Panic and FC as well. Yeah, if she's telling you to wait while she's talking to another dude, bro, don't wait. Do you? Don't do that, brother. Yeah. Sorry, my bro. I just gotta say it, bro. But nah, fuck that. Stand up for yourself, brother. She want no leave. Do you? Focus on you. Can you carve a 3-headed taiaha? I can carve 3 manaya heads. Thank you very much, Mikey. Yeah. Focus on you, brother. Don't stop your life for someone else. Sure, brother, relatable. Oh yeah, I remember you. Yeah, I was on Guardians of the Galaxy. I was the dog in the spacesuit. Okay, let's carve, eh? I'm yapping. Thank you very much, Trey and Mikey. Thank you, sweetie. Appreciate you, brother. You have a double on each end. Oh, that's interesting. What's up, Carnos? What's up, brother? How are you, man? Thank you very much for the follow from the other day, too. I see the emotes as well. Okay, so that's all the same now. What up, chat? Oh, Scheiße. Thank you, Jens. Hey, brother, how is your day so far? The Herminator. Not too bad, my bro, not too bad. It's my grandmother's birthday today. She would have been 80 years old today. So I won't lie, chat, I'm probably going to talk about her quite a bit today just because she's in my mind right now. If you don't know, chat, when my mum wanted to go and study, I stayed with my grandparents until I was 16. Hence the reason why I had such a close bond with my grandmother. And yeah, it's just thinking about her more today. Forever Karma, thank you for the Optimus Prime on Twitch. I'm trying to get your attention every time I get on your lives. What's up? What happened? What's up, Cork? Oh, hey man. Hey man, how's it going? Do you know German? No. Sorry, brother, but my wife has German ties in her blood. So she's half German, half Maori. Yeah, she passed 2 or 3 years ago, my bro. It was a great day. Now I'm enjoying a sun in Puerto Rico. Oh, damn. Bro, you must have the vibiest sunset. Is that where you're from, brother? Much love for all nans. Hey, appreciate it, Carlos. First time here. What's up, Philip? Love your content. Always nice hearing your voice. Hey, thank you, brother. Alright. So I think how it feels. You don't need to worry about that anymore. Yes, car. Okay. Hello. Yeah, I do the same shows on my mind on her birthday. Yeah, brother. Like as I mentioned too with my grandmother, she started getting very, very forgetful. towards the end. In a sense, yeah, she did forget me, but I didn't mind. One thing I was grateful for is that my grandmother lived, you know, about probably like 6 or 5 years of her life with my kids. So she knew my eldest daughter and our second daughter, and then eventually me and my wife had our third, and our baby carries my grandmother's name and my wife's grandmother. Thank you, Lana, and what the fuck now? Oh, thank you very much, eh? Hi, my name's Cork. Thank you very much for the cats and the popular sign. Naka Matavish. Thank you, brother. And Hell Dead Kid. Hey, what's up, my goat? How are you? Lana, thank you very much for the aroha. Appreciate you, Whānau. Appreciate you all, my goats. My goats. Holy 200 and holy cow, my bro. Love your accent. Hey, thank you, brother. Thank you. 309. What in the guacamole is going on here? Thank you very much, brother. I want to be a carver. One day teach my kids. Oh, then be a carver, my bro. Weed them goats. Yeah, these are all my goats. What are you working on? Although it may look raunchy in appearance, we are doing a handle for a patiti or a hatchet. So that's all we're up to today. 35 all summer. Oh man, I'll be honest, summer is not my favorite season because I overheat quite a lot. I don't know why, but God, it's annoying. Should show some of your work. Okay, who wants to see some work? One's in the chats. Okay, we'll go and get them, eh? Show them off again. Alrighty. Right, my goats. Wait there, alright? Don't go anywhere. And I'll show you. One moment. Pineapple lump. That was yum. Okay. We have some pieces. Are they for sale? Yeah, they actually are. Hey, what up? Look at you, Daddy, my bro. So, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. Okay, so bit of an art showcase at the moment, alright? So, First one is called a Teko Teko. T-E-K-O. T-E-K-O. Okay? And this is it here. A Teko Teko is a 3-dimensional wood carving. So this is the traditional form. You can see Teko Teko and the head there. You can see over there as well, side profile. This one is not for sale. This is actually going to some of the bros. I'll give you a closer look. So it's not actually finished yet. There we go, and then yeah, we dug out the back here so you can kind of get some of the light coming through all the gaps down there. So that is a Teko Teko, ladies and gentlemen. You'll mainly find a Teko Teko. That can be its own standalone carving out in the publics of the country, but at the same time they can be on the apex of our meeting houses. Sometimes they may be a carved face or a carved figure, sometimes both, as you can see on this carving here. So this timber, we call it pine. It's just pine. Yeah, this is pine. This is pine here. This carving here. So this is a Teko Teko, and the form is a manaya form. So we took the body of a bird, or the head of a bird, and the body of a man, and that's how this form came to be. It's a traditional form. So human faces weren't really carved until Christianity came to the country, and obviously some of our people did convert over to that faith. Some stayed in our own, and you know, but one of my ancestors by the name of Ruakenana, he wasn't big on the human faces. He didn't like them. So in our tribe, they were told not to carve them, pretty much. Although with some of our meeting houses that are up home, where I'm from in Ruatahuna, there are some of the carvings do have human faces. Doesn't mean the meeting house is a Christianity house. No, it's just they wanted to do a human face, you know, preference kind of thing. Which leads us to a wheku. A wheku, W-H-E-K-U is how you spell it. And basically one of the forms of faces that we do within Whakairo, there's three. There's the wheku, the ruru, and the koruru. The ruru and the koruru are basically the same thing, so they represent a nocturnal bird known as the ruru, or the night owl, the mopok. And then the most common one that you'll see quite a lot throughout the country is the wheku. And as you saw before, this is a wheku here. This one here. So this guy's just been chilling inside. This one is for sale. This one here is made out of tōtara. Sorry, I said you have a bit of a whiff, I kind of forgot. Yeah, so this is made out of tōtara here. This one here. So we did this on stream a while back. You can see. This could be yours for Christmas. I don't even like talking about money. I was about to say a price. I was like, nah, this feels wrong. So yeah, this is a wheku here. So you'll mainly find this in the apex of our meeting houses too. Not a Gibraltar shield, by the way. Got some shields for my brothers. Our next one is a slightly smaller piece. This one here. So this was just me having fun. So this represents Hinepu, Kohurangi and Te Maunga, who are two of my ancestors. Hinepu, Kohurangi, how much would you sell it for? Probably more than 3k probably. But yeah, I don't like talking about money. But this one here as well, this represents Hinepu Kohurangi over here, and Te Maunga. So Hinepu Kohurangi is the goddess of the mists. Te Maunga was an Oahituro, or a shooting star, who later became a mountain. Too cheap. Yeah, I know, just me being nice. So Hinepu Kohurangi would lie in the valley of Ornini. Ornini was the place I come from. Every night she would look up at the night sky, and you know how the mist follows the contours of the land. That's what she would do, just lay there and look up at the night sky. And then one night she saw someone soaring across the night sky, okay? And as she looked at him closer, she thought to herself, wow, he's a looker. And every night she would see Te Maunga streak across the sky with his long red hair. Oi, Tad! Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, brother. Yeah, one night she saw him streak across the sky and she sang out to him. But unfortunately didn't get his attention. Every night she would see him wondering how I can get his attention, until she sang out one more time and she was reaching out for Te Maunga. And she saw her down in the valley and he flew down to her. And that's when, you know, they locked eyes with each other, they laid with each other, and then eventually from their love came Pōtiki Tike Tike, who was the first human in my tribe. So half of my tribe was actually here before the Great Migration of the Waka. Their tribe was called Ngā Pōtiki. And the sun is represented by the focal point in the centre through this design called Rapi Rapi. So you can kind of see it, have a closer look. You see it's intertwining kind of thing, eh? So you look at it and you go, so it's intertwining, so that's why I use that design, Rapi Rapi. So yeah, from him came Ngā Pōtiki, and then eventually as time moved on, Ngā Pōtiki began to grow. And then eventually Mātātua Waka made land in Whakatane. That's what it's called now. And all those genealogy lines, you know, mixing together with ours, then becoming one. And from that union came one of my ancestors known as Tūhoi. Tūhoi Pōtiki is his name. He is the youngest of 3 brothers who were renowned for war. Why did he become more renowned than his 2 older brothers? Well, long story short, him and his older brother, that's the middle child, went to war against their older son. And well, they won. And the big statement that the younger brother Tūhoi made to show I am him, basically he got his weapon and he put it here. He grabbed the thing going like that, like in Indiana Jones, and he ate it in front of all of his followers. Yeah. And he took all his mana, his status, and he became the big cheese. I don't want to say it too much because, you know, it's a bit TikTok AI. Yeah, so basically back in those days when you, you know, indulged in someone, that was a big statement back then. Yeah, Tūhoi became him, pretty much, and our tribe is known as Ngai Tūhoi. Nā tamariki o te kohu, basically, the children of the mist. Yeah, so Ngai Tūhoi is the tribe that I come from, and it's a very, very inland tribe. One thing that I'll say about Tūhoi, we are very deep within our, our protocols, the way we speak our native language, because with all these tribes that we have in the country, we all don't speak the same dialect, pretty much. We all speak the same language, but there's hints of letters that may be silent. Within our tribe, we don't say our G's. So instead of ngako, nga, so you can slightly hear a G, we will say nako. So there's no G within the word that we're saying. So how you spell ngako is Ngakau. The way it's pronounced from our tribe is Nakau. So yeah, within the country, we all speak our own dialects. We all have our own carving styles as well. Not every tribe carves the same either. Back in those days, we weren't Maori. We didn't identify as Maori. The way we would introduce ourselves is by our tribes. So even in this day and age, I still do it. When someone goes, "Oh, what are you?" So I'm Tuhoi. That's what I am. So that's kind of way our people did it back in the day. And then, as time moved on, then that's when their word came in. WTF no! Oh my gosh, my bro. Straight oiler. My goat. Thank you very much, brother. What else? Oh yeah, that's pretty much what this carving represents here is with Hinepu Kohurangi and Te Maunga, who are two of my ancestors. Hinepu Kohurangi is the goddess of the mist, daughter of Ranginui, Sky Father. Oh my gosh, WTF. And Te Maunga was an Oahi Tōroa, so basically Chad, I'm half comet as well. Hey, it's probably because I got red strands in my beard. Okay, next one is a popo. A popo, P-O-U, not the 5-0, not the 1 downs, 1 ups, not the po-lice. A popo is a 2-dimensional wood carving, okay? And this is a smaller variation that we have. And this is it here. This is done in the local style of Te Arawa. So you can see here. So that's this one here. This is done in Cody. Bro, WTF. Is bro listening to Zelda? I'm playing some RuneScape music. I play game music to be safe. Thank you, Berkey, for the 16 roses as well. But yeah, this one here is a popo. As you can see, P-O-U is how you spell it. I was actually planning on drilling 2 holes in the bottom of the carving, putting some wooden dowels in, and putting it on a base. So this is made out of Kauri, K-A-U-R-I. Bro, what the holy, what are you up to, my bro? I can't, bro. My goat. There it is, whānau. So that's a popo here. And this is Millennial Summoning Jutsu. Okay? Holy cow, bro, how much did the bro give? What do you think about Serbia? Oh, I don't think about Serbia at all, to be honest, other than now you saying it, but I don't know much about it. Sorry, brother, I'm very in my own bubble. To be honest. Bro, the bro on TikTok is gifting like 1,300 plus. Oh, bit of a crown action. Thank you very much for that, brother. The international S millennials. I'm from Scotland, by the way. Joe, brother. Yo, it was your birthday a few days ago? Happy birthday, brother. We've got one more carving to show, whānau. So you have probably seen this one before. There's another popo. Yo, Odin's Beard. Odin's Beard. Thank you very much for the raid over on Twitch, brother. Absolutely love your name, my bro. Bro, absolutely crazy WTF. Holy, brother. Oiler, my bro. So I'm trying to go back to see how much it was in total. 1,400, bro. My goat. Holy. Thank you very much for that, brother. That's very nice of you, bro. Ah, damn. Hey, what's up, Odin? Thanks, bro. Been lurking for a long while now. Love your good vibes you give out. Oh, thank you, brother. What do you normally stream, my bro? And here's our last one. As you've all seen, this guy here, this popo, is a Matatua style popo, okay? So this is a different tribal style as opposed to that smaller one that I showed. Hey, what's up, the big Midge? Hey, you brother? So this right here is a different tribal style altogether. Thank you, Hara. Let me show you the rest of the chats as well. So this was made approximately on the 2nd of the 6th, 2021. It's got the date on the back. So this one here, will I sell this? Probably. I'll probably sell this one too. For how much? I don't know. Yo, Taylor's World, thank you very much for being here on YouTube. Kia ora. Does he bite? Well, put it this way. If Rua Te Pupuke, the first Maori woodcarver of our generation, or of our people, I should say, if he somehow rescued the carvings that were inside Hui Te Anganui, which was the first fully carved meeting house created by Tangaroa, the god of the sea, probably. One thing you gotta know is Rua Te Pupuke was the first woodcarver of our people, was the one who discovered Whakairo as well. And unfortunately, due to his actions and him burning said meeting house down at the bottom of the sea, he couldn't rescue the popo on the inside that were talking by the names of Feri and Fera. So unfortunately he only took the ones on the outside that don't talk. Yeah, so if he took the carvings on the inside, they probably could have but they don't, so we'll never know. Yeah. So this design here is called Hoi Hoi Pakati, which is one of our harder designs to do. This one here, so you can see. I did a mistake on this one as well, chat. Let me see if you can see it. Yeah, I did a mistake on this one as well. Can you see it? Neither can I, because it's perfect. Nah. Nah, there's a mistake in there though. Sorry, I had to do that one to you guys. I'm a bit of a jokester as well. So, if you want to know, look at the cheeks here. So here's this high line, and there's that. So they're not on the same level. That's pretty much it. These two rows here are not on the same level. But you want to know why it's so hard to pick up? Because it's fully designed, that's why. That's how easy it is to hide it. Just fully design it. But when I make slight hiccups like that, I leave them in, because it's good to leave those in there and see if people spot them. How long have you been doing this? Since I was 12. 12 years old. I am now 33, turning 34 next month. Got a lot of June Awakening. Bro, I've seen people play that game too. I was going to jump into it, but just playing too much games at the time. Hey, true brother chef. It would be my grandmother's 80th birthday today, my bro. If she was still around. Hope you're doing well too, my bro. What's your nationality? So I'm Maori. The 23rd of September. That's why my favourite number is 23. Not because of LeBron, okay? Because I was born on that day. Okay, let's get back to carving now. Are you the guy that wanted to... Hey, brother, that's got no username on the live? Yeah, brother, it's me. Oh, Kevin. LeBron, I thought LeBron was 23. Wasn't he? Wasn't he? I thought he was 23, not 24. I actually don't know. I don't even watch LeBron. Had some devil's lettuce today and now it's normal minded again. I realised I might have had 2 bowls of ramen and 15 pieces of sushi. God damn. I reckon I can eat more sushi than you, bro. Nah, it's just because I'm a big back, that's all. Also, with musubi, do I just have to cook the spam and that's it and put it on the rice ball? Because we've got some Kewpie mayo. Thank you, Kingbird. Sushi sounds nice. Sushi sounds nice all the time. That's my favourite. Californian roll, brother. Oh, true. So you just cook the spam? Because I'm going to get me some today and have a go. One kai that I really want to try is the breadfruit, eh? Breadfruit is really something I want to try. And also put in a thin layer of teriyaki sauce over the spam, I think. Don't quote me at that. We got someone called Hawaiian Boy in the YouTube chat. Then wrap it in seaweed nori. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make me some musubi today. Oh no, I'm gonna make it tomorrow. It's gonna be my chief of war dinner tomorrow. I absolutely love it, bro. How much do you want for that piece? Which one? Spam is honestly so underrated. Really? People from New Zealand make me feel at home. Oh, brother, if I could bloody give you a cup of tea through the screen, I would, my bro. Well, everyone, really. One must always give a Tim Tam as well, so can use said Tim Tam as a straw. Oh, the last one. Jeez, I hate to be that guy and say it, but I'd probably sell it for at least 7. You sound like Korg from Thor. You sound like... No. What the hell you mean I sound like Korg from Thor? No. Change my voice there. Appreciate you, brother. My gate. I need to put a round on the end of this. 7,000. I'm from the North Island, brother. Also, to those that want to know, I stay on the giant petrified stingray on New Zealand, alright? And I stay in a dormant volcano known as Rotorua. Because it smells a whole lot like rotten eggs and someone that may have had a... whatever their body regrets having, and they start farting like nothing. Okay, yeah, I'm having a spam musubi for my Chief of War Day. Thank you, Finley and Jay Bristle. Can you define realm? Huh? What's that for? Was I talking about a realm? Like, the only time I'd ever use that word is when it comes to World of Warcraft. And I know I haven't spoken about WoW yet until now. Do you love your job? It's never really felt like a job. Whakairo is something I'm very passionate about. Something I love because, you know, my ancestors went through a lot in order for us to have it here today. So, the way I want to acknowledge them is by doing it every day. So, obviously this isn't really told in schools and on the media or anything. My ancestors went through a lot of hardship back in the day. One of them being an act of parliament called the Tohunga Suppression Act, where basically anything within our culture became illegal. Yeah, it became illegal, like from speaking the language to Whakairo, kapaka, anything from our culture became somewhat outlawed, but because, you know, well, fuck around and find out type of people, it didn't last long, and thanks to individuals like Apirana Nata and many others, is why we have it here today. Another hurdle in our history was the World War. All our forefathers that were meant to teach the next generation, you know, majority of them didn't come back. Another one was whooping cough, because our ancestors' bodies have never known that kind of thing before. Whooping cough took a lot of lives here as well. Majority of them being my ancestors. So, in a sense, I do it for them. Because it's not, you know, they didn't have to, we don't have to deal with the bullshit like they did. Or, as I say that, you know, it is kind of going back that way. With our culture right now, with the current government, but we'll soon see. Yeah, it's going that way. I'm from the Netherlands. Hey, kia ora, brother. I need to get a round 2 for the end of this. Do 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 do. God, where's a round when I need it? I was dancing all alone, watching people get it on with each other. No more lonely nights for me. I looked out, what did I see? Sexy eyes moving across the floor when you want some more. Sexy eyes. Now and now when I wanna move with you. Sexy eyes. Making a chair leg, we're doing a handle for a partiti or a hatchet for a birthday next month. See, that's on the cards, funny. This is a job for my auntie, surprisingly. A paid job. A paid job from family is like a shiny Pokemon. Okay? They don't come around all the time. How do you know which way the grain is going? Oh, just feel it, eh? Cutting across the grain is fine. It's when you if you're cutting against the grain, you'll feel resistance. as opposed to cutting wood. So that's kind of, yeah, just reading the timber, brother, and then you pretty much go from there. What's up, Valen? That's, yeah, pretty much how you have to do it. Hey, what up, Battle Tanker? How are you, my bro? Over on Twitch. Yeah, bro, I'm keen to play Battlefield today, chat. I feel like you had to have had some pain. Yep, I did. I mean, I can speak on it if you like. I'm pretty much open about it. I was thinking. Ka kite anō, my bro. Are you married? Yes, I've been married with my wife for 1 year. I don't wear my ring when I'm carving though, that's all. Hey, what up, Shadow? Finally able to catch another stream. What time zone are you in, brother? This is an AEG Super Jaws. How long have you been on TikTok? Geez. Probably when I started, eh? Might be like, what, close to 4 or 5 years, maybe? Yeah, trust me, I've known pain in life. I didn't live a perfect one. Seen a fair deal of it, not a fair deal, fair deal of it in my life. You're an absolute legend. We all are. We all are. I went to prison 4 years. Wait, really? Oh, true, my bro. Yo, Aiden, thank you very much for the roses, and brother Lee as well. Jamal Lee. I'll be right back. I need to rewatch Rush Hour, man. I absolutely love those movies, bro. So no beers till like 6 or like 8 PM for you. All good. My daughters go to sleep at 8:30. And then I'll be on. I'll be on the battlefield. That's what I just finished asking you. I don't know what the hell you are feeding him, but he's too damn big. They were a dynamic duo, bro. Old Jackie Chan and Chris Tucker, right? Kafilka fish. Kafilka fish. I do really love this kafilka fish. Kafilka fish. All the way from Sweden. Hey, what's up, my brother? One of my good mates is from Sweden. I met him on GTA RP. little cut there that I want to try and take out. Hey, what up, brother Jordan? Cheer, my bro. How you been, brother? Hey, what's up, Basinu? Half a day. How you been? Okay. So the reason why I'm trying to round this end so it'll be easier with the rasp, and then we can clean up that and design it. Then we should be good. It's just a matter of trying to make sure it looks clean. What are you making? We are currently doing a handle for a partiti, brother, or a hatchet. Hey, what up, Admiral? Hey, good to see you, my bro. Much love, brother. Good to see you, my bro. How you been? Where do you live? I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand. I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. On the North Island. Robert, thank you very much for the aroha. What are you making? We're doing a handle for a hatchet, my bro. Not for using at all. Nothing whatsoever. It's more just for a birthday. To celebrate one of the uncles. I think he's turning geez, even I don't know. Whoops. Been a while, eh? I just got the first message, nephew. I was like, oh, here we go. Can I have something carved? Holds breath. I'll pay you though. Releases breath. Oh, okay. Saying Rush Hour 4 is in the works. Ain't he like a grandparent now? Goodness, let the man enjoy retirement. Rush Hour 4. Jackie, my wheelchair's jammed, Jackie. You should have got crutches. Jackie, we gotta go. It's bingo night. Ain't they like old ass now? I wasn't even aware of 2. Wait, you didn't know about Rush Hour 2 and 3? Brother, you need to watch them now. You need to take your ass off of this goddamn stream and go watch them movies right now. All I'm gonna tell you once, boy. You from Aussie? Hell no! I'm from next door. Chinese bamboo, very strong. Then it starts breaking. Oh, bro, I need to rewatch the Rush Hours, bro. What's the second one again? That's old, that's, Ricky Tan and Ricky Tan and the Golden Dragon. Oh, the Red Dragon, is it? It's, when they hide all the money and all that, all those statues. Is that number 2? I can't remember. Is it number 2? Or was that number 1? That's the one in no, it's the one when the girl is, she has the vest on. And yeah. I quote Rush Hour all the time, bro. I quote Nacho Libre and Tropic Thunder all the time. My wife hates it, and that makes me love it even more. And the third one is with the girl, and she's got the map on the back of her head, eh? Hey, much love there, Killer Streak Noodle. But I can't remember the scene with the martial arts master. Yeah, I think that's number 3. Wait, isn't there? What was number 3? Number 1. Yeah, I remember that one. Number 2. Was number 3 when they go to Paris, eh? It's Toto. Tito. Toto's what we had last night. Number 1 was LA, yeah. Wait, there was wait, that was number 3 when they go to Paris? Was I can't remember. Eh? See, I need a marathon Rush Hour. Who is anyone in the chat that's part of the Discord pirated all the Rush Hours to their chat? You can play our movie in the Discord. 3 was Paris. Oh yeah, 3 was Paris. That's when yeah. With the lady, eh? I never made love to a man before. Neither have I. I was like, bro, my name is Bubbles. My name is Bubbles. You take the blondes, and then the brunettes, then the hybrids. Oh, bro. See, I gotta watch that movie again, brother. Oh, damn. When you said hybrids, bro, that shit sent me hard, bro. It wasn't something I'd expect to hear. Were you in thrall? No, I wasn't, brother. Although, you know, I might sound like Cork here and there. Thank you, Noodles. Hey, Brox, I'm so glad you're still doing well. I hope you know how much you truly help everyone. I hope everyone's just happy. That's the main thing. I've been asking from Brox, how are you always happy? The truth is, I'm not all the time. I have my bad days too, brother. Trust me, I'm not invincible. I'm not invincible to a bad day, brother. I never am. I guess you could say that there's things in my life that, you know, help me get through the day. My children are a big part of that. Kids these days will never know the superpower that they have for their parents. Going to the gym is another one for me, and going for a walk, brother. There's this place called the Redwoods I like to go to all the time, just to disconnect from everything, and obviously I take my phone, we'll put it on silent. It's nice, it's really nice. Yeah, I just have, you know, those things that help me cope. They cause the problems and solve them. Oh, fuck yeah. Little sheets. But hey, I love them. Could you send us a link to your Discord? I have to get the permanent link, and I'll link it to all my socials. Sorry, brother, on YouTube. Oh, what's going on? I don't. The guy that got famous by saying, "Please let me give you the name." Dear viewer, via demand. I don't understand what's going on. I'm trying to talk to 3 other chats too. Yo, I haven't seen you in a long time. Cheers, brother Jay. Thank you very much. What's that emoji? Is that a potato? Papa Potato, thank you very much. He's asking you to quote Korg. Bro, I've done it like how many times? Well, I'll tell you, boy. I'd rather cook someone else. Bro, I've said like how many cork lines already? Gee, hey, seems like you want more than one cork line, eh? How many cork lines do you need, boo? So if it's a weird asking you for money, oh did you? Oh bro, I didn't even see it. I went on. Sorry, brother. Andrew M322, thank you for the Optimus Prime on Twitch, my bro. All right, let's carve, eh? For I want to get this shaped out. NFT gallery. Wait, people still do NFTs? I thought those were over. I'm surprised. I know a few people that jumped into NFTs and I think they got rug pulled because nothing ever came of it. Trillionaire thugs or whatever it's called. Because I got asked if I wanted to buy a trillionaire thug. I was like, why the fuck would I waste my money on that? I'm trying to save. Salutations, my guy. Hey, that dude Salt. What's up, brother? My goat. How are you, my bro? Something don't feel right about this Dutch. Yeah, we might be getting back into Red Dead Redemption RP as well, chat. So the return of Tommy Tim Tam may be on the way. Ah, you bastard. Yeah, so we might see the return of Tommy Tim Tam very soon. Good old Tommy Tim Tam. Yeah, I got asked by some of the bros if I was gonna come back to Red Dead RP. And I told them yes, I was planning on it. Back on Diablo, yeah, most likely. I still have whitelist on Wild RP as well. Hey brother, from Moldova. Hey brother. Do you speak any other languages, and if so, yeah, I can speak my own language. Tēnā koe ko Brox tōku ingoa, I tipu mai au I roto I te whārua o rua tāhunga, e nari kei roto rua hau e noho ana I nāia nei. Ko tōku reo tuatahi, ko te reo Maori, I te wae whānau mai au, mai te kōpu o tōku māma. Engari nā mihi nui ki a koe e hoa, nau mai haere mai tauti mai ki te whakāturanga nei. I runga I te whakāturanga o TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, me kick. Nā mihi nui ki a koe e hoa. What's up, my bro? I just said hello. And welcome to the stream on TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube, and kick. What's up, brother? How you doing? Hello from Greenland, kia ora. Off to mahi, my bro. Hey, ka kite, brother. Have a good day, mahi, eh? And I'll see you around. Cheer, my bro. I'm just getting around on the end of this. Why does it sound better than English? Because I'm talking. No. JK, brother. JK. I don't know. It's really up to the person listening, I guess. It keeps going. Brian, thank you thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro. I was on Twitch. What do you use for finishes? Ah, it depends, brother. I might use linseed, I might use something else. It's just what I have, really, at the time. I do want to go and look for some new stains, though. Because this guy didn't close the lid on his stains and then it went hard. Rock solid. So you're not my best accomplishment in the staining department. What's your go-to finish? Normally I mix like terps, like a little bit of terps with some bro wax, depending on the color. Hey, hello there, Hollowed over on YouTube. Kia ora. What are you trying to build? We're doing a handle for a hatchet, my brother. We're doing a Partiti handle, my bro, which is the name of it in Te Reo, in my native language. So I've got a axe head for it. One of my bros from my carving days as a student hooked it up. See there, you take this one, like solid. So pretty much sorted in that department. So all I have to do really is do this, carve it up, and then we should be a Gucci. Yeah, so the reason what I'm doing right now is just trying to get a round on the end of it, so we don't have to worry about it later. Ooh. Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right. What's going on here? Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right. Have you ever played rugby? Why is my AI saying, oh, it's in Chinese? must have thought I spoke in Chinese or something. LAI. Nah. Ooh, you bastard. There we go. Found it, Chip. Baggy gun, got the girls on campus in the city. Hold on, chat, there's just a little section here that I want to put my focus into right now. Just make sure it doesn't cause headaches later down in the line. Mommy, no stopping. Alright, should be good. What are you doing here, mate? We are doing a handle, brother. Gee, someone's driving a shit box around. Just doing a handle for a hatchet, brother, or partiti as we call it in my language. Yo, Maliliku. Well, I probably butchered that so hard. Thank you for the prime, brother. Thank you very much to the primers today. Dropping them in the channel on Twitch today. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou whānau. Thank you. Still can't believe Fiji, yeah, bro. Still pretty yeah. I've still been listening to his music ever since, my bro. I would play it on stream today, but because I'm live on YouTube, it's a bit hard. Just because they're really strict with copyright things, eh? So you kind of don't want to get on that radar. Oh, round going over here. Shit, so we're gonna have dinner at my mum's today, just to celebrate my grandmother. Yo, what's up, Yazan, Riddick, and Curtis Oaks? Do you ever carve up? Nah, I don't ever. I stopped playing rugby ages ago. Back when I was younger, but I stopped playing rugby at a young age. Then I went into Whakairo instead. Who do the Warriors have this weekend? I enjoy listening to it. Oh, what kind of video are you editing, brother? Bro, I've been trying to learn how to edit too. Oh, they got the Bulldogs this weekend. Okay. Should be good with those changes. They finally listened. My daughters, they really want to go to a Warriors game. I'm like, oh, it's a bit hard, Bubba, because we live far away and they're always sold out. Oh, nice, brother. W's, my bro. I've been learning how to edit as well. Just here and there when I can in my free time. It seems like a very useful skill to have. Hey, what's up, Clues? Hey, Brox, hope you and the family are well. We're doing good, brother. We're doing good. Bro, it's just been chilling with the kids mainly, my bro. Just watching them grow, brother, is something I've been doing outside of the stream, and just love seeing them do life, my bro. My eldest daughter's picked up hockey, obviously, outside. Yo, what's up, raccoon? It's not what you think, my bro. Yeah, my oldest daughter's picked up hockey, so I used to play when I was younger as well, so I've been trying to teach her all that I know. Even her auntie as well is a hockey player, so seems like she's doing pretty good. Sorry, chat, just stretching. Has anyone been to a chiropractor? Oh, what are those like? Are they worth doing? Especially as you get older? I feel like it would be better, you know, as you get older. I try and stretch every morning. Deep tissue massage, okay. Seems like I feel like I might have a pinch somewhere in my leg or in my back somewhere, because it's quite constant sometimes. As I get older, I get it more. So maybe I need to stretch something out or something, get something clipped. Because I walk with a proper posture too. But yeah, it just feels like every now and again, especially when I step on my left leg, I feel that pinch there a little bit. Have you ever carved something like a statue? Yeah, it's called a tickle tickle in my culture. Although I did get commissioned to carve Odin from Assassin's Creed. I finished it, but nothing ever came about it, so it's just a random carving of Odin in the shed from the game. You'll be invited. Oh, like contact was lost halfway through, so I just kept it. Got a sports massage. It's meant for like getting knots. Yeah, I got one of those massage guns too. If you're controlling your craft. Yeah, my grandfather, he's a master carver. He uses a weightlifting belt. So yeah, might have to adopt this method. Eh? Might have to adopt the ways, my bro. Because you never see him without it, eh? Like, you always see him, he'll have this weight belt on. And then I was the one giving him shit going, you know, doing my proper posture to him, and he just giggles and walks away. You managed to get into the new WoW patch? No, I haven't played any retail lately. Is it any good? I think the things that I like about the new WoW patch, Shaman set, Pally set, and all the weapons. Thank you, brother Dylan, for the roses, and Novax as well. Are you Jacinda's nephew? No. I'm Korg's nephew. Yeah, bro, I was thinking that too, Raccoon. Definitely, brother. Bro, check this out. Do you have a 2FA on your account, my bro? Bro, I try and, like, I log into my account, I somehow got logged out of my Kick. I log into my Kick account and I need my 2FA, but it's not being sent to my phone. Love the hat. Thank you, brother. How are you? I'm doing good, my bro. I'm doing good. Yeah, I can feel a slight pinch in my back now. Hitting the gym again. Yeah, me too, my bro. We did a gym stream yesterday. Different. You know, it was a bit hard because it's not something I normally do. But I'm keen to do it more. Hey, what's up, Martin? Still in Vegas? Yeah, my bro, still here. It's been quite fun. Yeah, if you enjoyed. Yeah, I'll probably try and get into it maybe tomorrow. But tonight I want to play Battlefield. Yeah, I might have to. I'm sure I got a massage gun. I might have to use that. Yeah, it's when, like, little bit when I stand on my left leg, I feel a little pinch, like it's little hairs in the old gluteus. Oh, there's a courier here. 1 moment. Okay, what's in this? I was not expecting anything, or I never do, but... Oh, it's from G Fuel. Oh no, what's the name? Gamer Subs. Mango Tea Crusade by Swagger Souls. Some Gamer Subs, chat. In a big bottle. What's this? What is this? Got a cup too? Muscle Mommy. We got ourselves a Muscle Mommy cup. And a letter here. What's the letter? Ooh. Oh, we got samples. That's what's in the letter. So we got brand risk. I don't know if I should show that packet close to thing. We got good flavor. We got lemonade flavor. And I'll be playing beta tonight. And lean. Wait, isn't lean like a dude rug? Oh, it's from Gamer Sub, so it should be okay. Yeah, shout out to Swagger Souls. But I could probably eat this tin. Look how small the tin is. Yeah, I'll be playing the beta, my bro. Yo, thank you very much, Gamer Subs. Oh, here, for you ASMR lot. Ready? There you go. I might actually go and make me a drink right now. Yeah, it's got a... Oi! Kingbird! Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Did you email me as well? I didn't see one come up. Muscle Mummy. Thank you, Gamer Subs. I'm gonna make me a drink. Bro, Gamer Subs came in clutch at TwitchCon, bro. Because I didn't want to waste money and buy drinks, so I was drinking the samples. You do Haka? Yes, I do. I did it as a full-time job for 9 years. Okay. Yo, corrupt cow. What would a corrupt cow sound like? Thank you very much for the raid, man. Thank you very much, corrupt cow. Oh, we just got sent some Gamer Subs thingies, some goods. So we're definitely gonna make us a drink. Thank you very much for the raid. How was your stream? Hey, Winyard Sun over on YouTube. Good to see you, brother. RuneScape music. Yeah, I just finished the tutorial to RuneScape. Find it fascinating doing the haka. Cheer, brother. Yeah, so the haka, the Maori posture war dance, we have many different variations of it as well. Just waiting for Corrupt Cow to come through. Damn, who was this muscular woman on this bottle? Yo, cheer, brother Lucas. Nice to see you, my bro. Much love, brother. He's a very muscular woman. Alright, let me make me a drink. Oi! Mr. Ducky Hub! Mr. Ducky Hub just gifted 50 subs. Holy, bro, you just smashed our sub goal as well. Thank you very much. I think, can you do exclamation mark sub goal, please? If you did get a gifted sub on Twitch, please give a thank you. It'll mean a lot to me if you can do that. Can someone please do exclamation mark subs, please? Because I want to see if we hit our sub goal, because I didn't do that lolly giveaway. Oh man, my back, bro. Subs. Oh, we're 2 off. I'm just gonna do it anyway. So I have a sub goal to get to. If we ever got to 850, I'm just gonna say we're at it right now. Basically, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. What's the giveaway gonna be? It's only open to those outside of the country. It is going to be a lolly giveaway. Lolly, sweets, candy, whatever you call it in your country. It was widely demanded for me to do a lolly giveaway. So the third place, confectionaries. You know, some lollies from here. Pineapple lumps was one of them that I got asked to put in. We actually got pineapple lumps inside. The second one was going to be the chocolates from here. So Whitaker's. I'm not really a Cadbury fan, so I might just do Whitaker's. And the first place was going to be a concoction of the two of them. Yeah, so we're going to... Oh, I've got to sort that giveaway out now. Thank you very much, Mr. Ducky Hub, for the 50 bomb, man. Getting us to 848. But yeah, it was at 850, but I'll just do the giveaway now. Give me a bit of time to sort that out so we can arrange what lollies to get. I'll get my kids to help me too. Whitaker's is way better anyways. That is true. Way better in price too, but hey, it's to celebrate you guys, and all you have to do is just enter the giveaway normally, and then it's only open to people outside of Oceanic, so it's more for, you know, those that don't have access to the lollies here. You're the goat of COVID streams, Chamber, bro. Yeah, it's definitely was a comfort place for a lot of people around those times too. And it was cool. It was cool getting to know lollies. Lollies is called candy here. I know what kind of lolly you're thinking of. Hey. Fefe. I see you, Eldrimu. Hey, I know what your lolly you're thinking about, bro. Hey. I will not do streams in the AMs. Nah, I'm just joking, bro. I'm a smart ass too. Sorry, bro. I was born a smart ass as well, so I do it to a lot of people. Even the bro Ninja over on Twitch, he went on a date, and yeah, we gave him a little bit of cheek for it. Because he goes, I should not be up at 3 AM. See me while you up at 3 AM now? So I'm a cheeky bastard, so Welcome to the stream, brother. Much love. Let me go and put these inside, and then we'll carry on. Dexy. Oh, I hope the bird didn't get offended by that though. Okay, shall we carry on, eh? I won't lie, chat. I may have stood up just to talk because my back. Has Ducky commented yet? I haven't seen Ducky's name come up. Yeah, so if you're ever thinking about, I'm not sponsored by them anyway, if you're ever thinking about getting you some gamer subs, I would recommend Blowhole Blast. Blowhole Blast is actually quite nice. Yeah, Blowhole Blast was nice. What else was nice? Yeah, Brand Risk, which was a peach one, and Thick Thighs was a nice one too. That must be a classic. Yeah, I've had it for a while, my bro. Ghost Dono? Wait, homie hasn't messaged Ghost Dono. Oh, might be just chilling out. Might be just chilling out, man. I don't know what a Ghost Dono is. What time is it for you there? It is currently 11:26 AM. Thank you very much, Fogu. What are you making? It's not what you think. We are carving a handle for a hatchet. Not something to use in any way, shape or form other than hatchet stuff. Oh, it's not even going to be used as a hatchet as well. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some spam today, chat. 9:26 AM. Where are you, Trench? Bro. I told you, I'm cheeky. Let's get rid of these hard angles. Get a bit of a roll going on. Hey, brother. But it was not your fault but mine. Oh, I thought I was on another platform. No. Trust me. Some wise words from a master carver though. Maori wood carver, by the way. By the name of Clive Ernest Fugel. He said if you can carve a good Percy matey, you can carve anything. So in a lot of our carvings too, you know, they do carve the bits and bobs. Just so you know what it is, eh? But obviously I will not do that on stream. I I mean, I could probably get away with it like what half these other bloody streamers do, but I'd rather not. But yeah, that's what the Master Carver said. Oh, you're in Guam. Oh, yeah, yeah. That's what the Master Carver said to me a long time ago. Matey, if you can carve a good Percy, you can carve anything. And which leads me into my next one. So, tradition and the carving school I went to. If you turn 21, you would get a carving from the boys. What kind of carving is that? Well, it being with the boys, you can totally probably understand what I mean by that. You would get a chode, basically. And well, in my 3 years at the carving school, we made many. We even did one for one of the bros' houses. We did a doorknob, literally. And we removed the house's knob and replaced it with the one we carved. Veins and all. Another one, I was tasked to carve one for one of the bros in my intake. So basically what I did, I carved a vascular eggplant and fully designed it with veins and all. Did one of the hardest designs in carving. Put it on a base. And you know those leaves at the top of an eggplant there, we swapped it with a helm. And put a little, you know, put a little coom drop at the top. And we gave it to him at his 21st. And that's light compared to the ones I've seen. Like one of the bros. Oh no, I'm actually not gonna say it. It's just the boys being the boys, really. That Skyrim music, yes. Vascular eggplant needs to go on a shirt. Do it. Do it. Vascular eggplant would be a good band name. Bro, so one of my good bros, he listens to metal and hardcore, right? Bro, some of the names these bands have, bro. Holy shit, how did they not get cancelled? But I mean, it is metal and, you know, I feel like anything goes in metal these days. I don't want to say their names just in case I get banned on TikTok. What would your metal name be? Wooden Johnson. Nah, that's too, nah. Probably be like cheesy eggplant or something. I'd probably go with that, cheesy eggplant. That would be my band's name. Stupid, yet everyone will remember it. Oh, you're in the UK. Yeah, I know it'll be late for the UK and EU in general. We did something similar in welding school. If it was your B-day, we made it from metal, and depending on how big of a bro, it was larger and more elaborate. Yeah, bro, we creativity was the creativity was endless when it came to the bros' 21st birthdays. Like even the same one thing we would do, like if new students left their carvings out on the floor, like where we would work at the end of the day, we would literally like cock bomb them, like just to teach them, bro, don't leave your shit lying around because the boys will get their hands on it and they will make sure you won't leave it out there again. It's more so, you know, just clean up after yourself, don't leave your shit out. Etiquette, eh? Etiquette. My one was always to the new students, if you can wipe your ass, you can take your gears and your carvings into your locker. Hey, that was always my thing with the new students. If you can wipe your own ass, you can clean your bloody table. That was always my number one thing with all the new students, just to make sure they clean up after themselves, stop being lazy. That was pretty much it. I have stumbled into the great wizard lair again. Welcome into the cave there, sir. I am rambunctious. The mage. I don't even know what I'm saying, bro. To be sure, what's up, brother? How are you, my bro? How are you? We are getting an overlay done for our Lord of the Rings streams as well, chat, as you all know. The Lord of the Rings books are finally here, and we can finally get into their reading stream, I promised. Pioneera, thank you for the Optimus Prime, man. Bro, a lot of primers today, straight up. Thank you very much for the Aroha, brother. Hello, Dr. Mod? Is it Mod? What's under the hat? You wouldn't believe it. Forehead. See? 4 fingers means 4 heads. And my hair that I need to wash because it's covered in chlorine. Nah, I had to go to the pools yesterday, chat. I hate swimming in the pools, eh? Yuck. Yuck, chlorine water. It's disgusting, bro. I hate it. Especially for my hair. So yeah, I've got a date with the shower tonight and a deep scrub and then coconut oil after the shower. Just to make it feel nice again. Yeah, bro. I don't know where my goggles are. Cause me and my eldest daughter, we do laps in the other pool, and I didn't have any freaking goggles. I'm glad I asked. That was glorious. Only for you, Callum, my goat. Much love, my brother. Yo, brother Chris Thompson, thank you very much for the Aroha, my bro. What city are you in? Oh, bro, I'd hardly call it a city, to be honest. Rotorua. It's the place in the country that smells like rotten eggs because of all the sulfur. Thank you very much, brother Bits. Appreciate you, my bro. Thank you, thank you. Where are we here? Thank you, brother Jordan, again. Yeah, so we'll try and get this shaped. We do need to take the handle down, like shrink it down, because that's still catered to my hand. Obviously my uncle's one is much smaller. Just so you can, you know, it's not going to be used to and all that stuff. But that's something that we got to work on as well. I know you're from Twitch, I think. Yeah, I'm on Twitch right now too. I'm multi-streaming. Where are you? It's literally summer. In the southern hemisphere, it's literally winter. I'm sorry my nutsack is not stuck to my leg like you. All you have to do is step to the side, my brother. That's all it takes. Especially in public, eh? Don't make it so obvious. Alright. All the brothers will know. Hey, this is the only way we can unstuck it in public chat. Step to the side. It's angled. The old leg shake. Thank you very much, Aaron, for the finger hearts, my bro. Good morning, not Sin. Kia ora. The cowboy wide stance. There's actually a tribe here that does a real wide haka stance as well, like ridiculously wide. Oh, bro, sitting on a leather couch in summer, bro. That's ballsy of you to do that, brother. Oh man, straight bacon IRL, sizzling in a pan. I could never. Can't wait for tomorrow, chat. Episode 3. Episode 3 of Chief of War. Gonna be good. Kia ora, no, brother. I joined late. Are you carving something? Nah, we're doing a handle, axe handle. Don't worry about the shape, bro. We just we're gonna be designing it as well. What am I going to do on it? I don't even know myself, brother. Yeah, I haven't really gotten to that point yet. I'm kind of just cruising. What's up, Quakers? Cheer, brother. Cruising is made for love. Yeah, this handle needs to go right down because this handle's too mighty for the uncle. It's not as carve anything? Nah, I didn't carve anything for Chief of War, brother. If I got asked to, I'd probably ask if I can, you know, live and learn off their carvers personally instead of doing it, eh? I'd rather live the culture first. And that's what I want to do in Hawaii anyway, or if I go to the islands, is more so talking with the locals about the history, because outside of my own culture, there's a few pivotal figures in history that I actually enjoyed reading about. One was Musashi, one was King Kamehameha as well. Dare I say it, one of them was Genghis Khan too. It was interesting. It was very, very interesting. Thank you very much, is it Louis J for the 20 roses. Thank you, brother. Who's all playing Battlefield today? Oh, except America, because they're behind. Ake ake ki aka hae. What's up, brother Chev? What are you making? Q toast. We're doing a handle for a hatchet. Thank you very much, brother Louis, and also is it GTA Barbs for the You're Amazing. Nami Hinoi. Thank you for the 100k likes on the stream as well, chat. So either for this, I'm either gonna do like rings around the handle, or I'll like try and do something with it. I might try and fully design it. Try and fully design it and go to from there. Thank you, brother Louis. Yeah, brother, it's just jamming some Skyrim music. So majority of the time when I'm live, especially when YouTube is on, brother, we'll play game music, my bro, just to play it safe, eh? Just with all the copyright stuff and everything. I don't know if videos they get flagged with, you know, other people's music on it gets taken out of like algorithm stuffy things. It's not really something I've actually studied or looked into, like algorithm stuff. I just post post and try and reply to comments. What's up, Ree? Thank you very much. Have a good day, brother. I'll be back again soon. All good, Louis. Have a good day, brother. I will most likely be finishing up in a little bit, my bro. But you have a beautiful day, brother. Have a beautiful day, my bro. We'll try and clean this up. Try and get that clean. So I'm thinking I'll either do... Hey, what up, Greenie? Chill, my bro. No, we're doing a handle for a hatchet, my bro. We're not, brother. How's the weather been in Rotorua? Pretty okay. Nothing too bad. Our washing is getting dry, so I cannot complain, my bro. Yeah, I knew that was gonna become the conversation when we carve this part of the axe. This is what you do when you can't be bothered carving a head, chat. Just do an end. When and how did you get into crafting? Okay. So I got into Whakairo when I was 12 years old. Back in primary school, my uncle was the teacher at the time, and he's pretty much the one that opened the door for me to the world of Maori wood carving, brother. It was pretty much him. Hey Brooks, we still love you from Twitch. Hey, what's up, Shiver Me Timber? I'm live on Twitch right now. Cheers, brother. So it was pretty much him. I was under his tutelage till, so I started at 12 and 16. 16 is when I left home and I moved here to finish my senior year of high school at Rotorua Boys High. That's when I finished up. And pretty much from there, I was still continuing to carve. I didn't really want to do the carving class at Rotorua Boys High because they were carving more so with MDF timber, which is that cardboard paper mache kind of timber. I didn't really want to do that. I wanted to just carry on working with native, and I pretty much had a lot of that at my auntie's house, who I was living with at the time. And yeah, pretty much carving until I think, when did I apply for the carving school? I can't even remember. I know it was in my 20s. I applied for the carving school here at Te Puia to upskill and learn more, because it's probably the most prestigious carving school in all the world, like Maori wood carving school. There's some requirements in order to get into the school, so you have to be of Maori descent. Percentages ain't a thing in our culture. Do you know that's my brother? Oh, we're cousins, but that's been together since day one. So yeah, percentages isn't a thing. Isn't a thing in our culture. It's that if you're Maori, you're Maori. You need to provide like your genealogy, what Maori ancestors you whakapapa to or you tie to, and then you pretty much go there. CV, art portfolio helps as well, and then you pretty much wait to see if that's pretty much how you gotta wait then to see if you get shortlisted, and from there you do your interview process. That's kind of how they go as well. Hey, what's up, brother? Dead Legs? I've been busy and missed the last week. Oh, it's all good, Dead Legs. You're all good, brother. Hope everything's been good on Kick, my bro. I'm currently streaming off of Kick, but I can't log into my channel for some reason. It's not sending me my authenticator code, but thankfully I can still stream on Kick as well. Thank you very much for being here, my brother. Where were we? Yeah, so you get shortlisted, and then you get an interview, and you get interviewed by the head of the school, the tutor that could possibly take you on, and some of the other tutors in the school as well. So yeah, I went through that process too. I pretty much knew everyone in there because I was doing couple haka performances at Te Puia as well, which is like a job here these days. And yeah, it's pretty funny, just laughs all around. And one thing they do in the interview, they ask you to draw a circle, and you put anything you want in that circle. And they go, alright bro, draw the circle, put anything you want. And I drew the circle and I went, anything I want. And then I gave it back and they just looked at each other and just started cracking up laughing. I was saying, oh, that's pretty funny. Yeah, they just started cracking up laughing. What do I need to do to start? To do Whakairo? Chisels? Yeah, I just wrote anything I want in the circle, gave it to them, and they just started laughing. And the tutor that took us on, he was just laughing. He went, for fuck's sake. Then yeah, left, went on my merry way, and went on back to my job. And it was pretty much waiting game from there. And then yeah, got the message, you're in. You start next week. And it was bloody beautiful. The whole 3 years at the carving school were some of the most memorable years of my life. More so the first two. The third year was alright. I went through a bit of a weird transition in my third year. But nonetheless, you know, your boy finished, he graduated. How did I graduate? So the carving school actually provides you with your chisels, and they are not cheap, like $4 grand tops. And if you graduate, you basically get to keep those chisels as well. And there were 5 of us that started, 5 of us, and only 3 of us graduated at the end of our 3 years, unfortunately. But so there were 2 fast carvers and 2 who were on the slower end. I was the one in the middle that took his time and just did his own thing. So yeah, that 3 years, sorry, was some of the most memorable moments of my life. Was, you know, learning, getting to know some of the bros, and then seeing some of the immaculate carvings that they made throughout the years as well. Be a voice actor, it's my dream job as well. I'm trying. Streamy, and love how you're nice and humble. Hey, thank you, Jason Bombs. Thank you, brother. Are you a rude here? Nah, just kinda. I'm not gonna say what my surname is and my real name. Yeah, it's whāngai to yeah, you probably know anyway. I don't want to say too much about people's personal lives. But yeah, that's pretty much Te Puia for me. And then when I graduated at Te Puia, moved on, went back to my old job because it was just kapahake. It was just a way for me to get money, basically, for my family, because I was having a daughter at the time. Yeah, I was finding a baby. I was having our first child when I graduated. So my wife was like a couple months. And then around August she was born, 3 weeks early. On the same day as my niece, by the way. So after that, he went back to my old job. Started doing kapahaka shows for Tamaki Maori Village. That's what it was called at the time. A lot of my mates were out there anyway. And then I was offered a resident carver job from Tamaki Maori Village to be the head carver for their tourism company with another one of the bros too. And those were some of the coolest months of my life. Why do I say months? Because it didn't last long, because COVID turned up. Yeah, so we got to, you know, carve for the tourists, let them have a go as well, which was cool. Like all the Kiwi experiences, all the oldies as well from the cruise ships. And yeah, pretty much, you know, we start hearing news of this new virus going around the country. And working in tourism, everyone was on edge. Like all the tourists, obviously I just carried on doing my own thing. But you could genuinely see how on edge they were. Like one girl coughed and everyone just went boom, looked straight at her, and I was like, you're alright. I just went, you're alright, carry on. But everyone just looked at her like she was the freaking bad guy. And then, yeah, and lockdowns get announced. Like before, like in my 3rd year of carving, I was doing little carving streams here and there. And then eventually I was doing some out here. And some of my mates from Twitch, like some of my friends that pretty much streamed way before I did, they saw me, and they're Maori as well, and they said, you should do this on stream all the time. Because no one's, you know, showcasing our culture the way you could. I was like, oh yeah, we'll see. I'm a bit scared and shy. Because when the view count went up, man, I shut down, I couldn't handle it. And so, I was doing these carving streams here and there through lockdown, while my job was still paying us at the time, while I was doing those first carvings, and then boom. So if you go to Insta, YouTube, or TikTok, go to one of those 3 platforms and you'll see the first carvings I ever did as a streamer. I had the shittest phone in the world, so it's not of great quality. But I just uploaded those videos as a reminder of where I started. So those were like the first carvings I ever did on stream. And then yeah, that creator showcase came along, which was something Twitch ANZ did. Goated idea, by the way. So they had these things called a Twitch showcase where they would do different themes throughout the month. And one of them was an art theme, and I filled the form out just you know, as a laugh, not expecting to get it. I just filled it out, forgot about it the next day, and then I get an email saying I got in, and I got nervous. What do you usually use to stream? Back then, I used my Samsung Galaxy. I think it was a 7. Yeah, Samsung Galaxy S7. We had VDSL internet, so it was not fiber. Fiber is the best internet you could have here at the time. Have here right now, but I was on VDSL, the old copper wire, and it would pixelate if I was carving too close. Hence the reason, if you see a lot of my old clips, they're quite far away, and I'm carving over here. That's for that reason that I carved far away, and my setup is just over there. So those 2 strings over there, that's my old setup. Even need TikTok. Those 2 strings in that corner there. So these ones here. 1, 2. This is my old setup here. And there's 2 nails that are still there. Yeah, that's my old setup. And I leave it up there as a reminder of what I started with. And yeah, I did my Twitch showcase with those particular things in front of 100 people. It was 100 people on the first day, which was absolutely nuts. And then the second day, there was 1,000 people watching, and bro, I was sweating buckets on the back. Thank you, Willy Wonka. Holy, hey, thank you very much for the aroha, my bro. And on that second day is when that clip got taken. Didn't know about clips at the time. I went, you know, enjoyed the rest of my day being a dad, enjoying my daughter's company, and then I had the odd game of Fortnite before I went to bed. And then I woke up the next day and was getting messages from Twitch staff, Twitch ANZ staff, saying go into your stream right now. I went, oh shit, what did I do? I think I'm in trouble. And I went on to my chat, and the chat was going like the offline chat was going nuts. And I was like, hey, what are you doing here? Go and enjoy your day. I'm not starting anytime soon. But yeah, man, that's how crazy it got at the time. Kowalski. Yeah, brother, that's me. Cheers, my bro. But yeah, that's pretty much my journey up and how I transitioned into streaming. And then eventually, you know, all the videos are there. We've had the likes of Moist Critical come through. Trainwrex was the first biggest streamer to ever support me. I think he's still like a sub here. Train. Who else? Moist Critical. Nade Shot come through. Asmongold. And Asmongold used his Asmongold channel at the time. Maximum when they were in Limit, who is a world first raiding streamer. Who else? I'm trying to think of who else has come through. XQCs saw the clip. KSI. Did I say Nade Shot? I think I did it. And obviously the biggest one. Are you still with OTK? I never was an OTK, but I'd love to be an OTK, but I don't think a woodcarver would fit their, you know, niche that they go for. Cole Calf, thank you very much for the aroha. But I support OTK because I support S5. Your worst nightmare. Thank you very much for the firecrackers, my bro. Thank you, and 1K as well with the manawa. Obviously the biggest one that's come through to the stream was it was kind of a streamer first as well. I was the first to have a world leader on the stream. Yeah, and she actually turned up to my house more than once. I think it was like 4 times she's visited here when she was the Prime Minister at the time. Moving on from there, you know, pretty much became a Twitch partner shortly after when the boom happened. And then moving on from there, like I think not last year, the year before, I became a Twitch ambassador, the first in the country. And now the country has 2. The other one is the Brother Rudism, which is pretty cool. He that stays down in the South Island. Thank you very much, Cold Cat, for the roses. Hey, what's good, Docs? How are you, brother? Would you ever come to New York? I don't know. If I ever got invited to an event there, I probably would. I don't know if I'd enjoy it though. I don't like living like a sardine. Too crowded. I'm a stallion that needs to frolic in the open. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. If the opportunity ever came my way. Thank you for the crane, brother. What's up, Huggle Beans? Alright. Yeah, this handle needs to come down. Yeah, we need to take this handle right down. Because when we get the X head, yeah, it's going to be a lot longer. The X head is probably going to sit about there much of the timber is what I'm going to give it. So I might just do a wrap something around the handle. Is that 100 Thieves? Yes. Do you want to see what I got on underneath? Poop socks. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime for 2 months, my brother. I hope you're not shitting in anyone's socks, though. Thank you very much for the birthday love for my nan, brother. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I miss her, man, but yeah. She's gonna be thought about quite a lot today by me. What you got under? I've got a power shirt underneath. Which reminds me I need to shoot some content because Power sent me a power box. It's got a box with some stuff in it and I'm wondering if it's the... What's it called? What's that anime called? Solar leveling. I'm wondering if it's got the solar leveling gears in it, so I better use my camera and shoot some content tomorrow. Yeah, I've got my power long sleeve on underneath. There, it's got my name on the back and my number too. 23. What kind of camera do you use? Just a normal Elgato one, just like the first one they brought out. I like the quality of it. It's very nice. Although I did see they got a 4K camera now. It's like, god damn. I think I just got a camera hard on. Imagine seeing the carvings at 4K. But it's probably got a 4K price as well. Cheer, brother Ed. Cheer, my bro. You're just finishing up for the day. I normally try and go for 4 hours, but I forgot to have breakfast. I'm finishing because I want to have lunch early. Sorry, guys. Yo, wheelchair. With the 49 months is a tier 3, my bro. What's your opinion on COP? Anything magic skin? I'm getting it. But I can't because apparently PayPal's not working on Steam. The 4K camera. Oh, is it? I can't. I tried to click on the link here, but it didn't work. So I'm guessing we have to wait. Because I asked, because I used to be sponsored by Elgato. I should have stayed with them though, but oh well. I missed the email to re-sign up with them and my dumbass didn't see it. Edging closer to the 1 mil channel points. Good luck, my bro. Good luck. I reckon you'll get it by like October maybe, or September. Who knows? Thank you very much, brother Eli, and your worst nightmare. Thank you very, very much. What's for lunch? I don't know. I might just have tuna and rice crackers. I'm going to the supermarket today to get me some spam, some rice, and some seaweed because I'm having spam musubi for Chief of War food tomorrow. Just seen the Bros Carolina Reaper challenge. Yeah. Oh, not too bad. Just that hot punch at the start, hey? Far out. The dry wheat bix and Vegemite at the same time was worse. Yeah, I'd say that was worse. Because it was dry and it was yuck. Yeah, bro, the new skin form magic looks nice. What's your favorite fast food place? I don't know. Well, I want to say Chick-fil-A, but I haven't been back to that place since BlizzCon. What's up, Question Mark? Have you done the fire noodles? Yes, if you want to go to down there, it's probably in the TikTok channel, a couple videos down, brother. But it's also a YouTube short as well if you want to check it out. The YouTube short is funnier and the fuller version is on YouTube too. Nah, we don't have Chipotle here. Bullshit FBI moves over here and the only thing they bring with them is a bloody 15% tariff and no Chick-fil-A. Or Chipotle. Fucking useless. Don't know why the hell FBI wants to be here anyway. Burger Fuel slaps. Yeah, bro, it does. Yeah, the only thing they bring with their asses is a 15% tariff. Alrighty. Wendy's. I haven't had Wendy's in a while either, but I am trying to eat healthy these days. Well, we have been actually, and it's been good. I think we just got Popeyes at one place. Really? One place? I had Popeyes as a bit arsey. There's this food truck in Auckland. They make those 7-Eleven. They make those 7-Eleven sandwiches, like the strawberry cream one and all those. It's a food truck up in Auckland. I seen it on TikTok. If I'm ever up in Auckland, I need to find it. Love the accent, yeah, my bro. You like Wendy's? I don't know. I feel like I haven't had Wendy's. That's why I can't really say. Yeah, I've not had Wendy's in a long time. But yeah, me and my wife have been eating relatively healthy, like healthy as, and it feels good. We don't feel so sluggish. What did we have last night? We had steak and mash. But I had penu penus. Penu, if you don't know what that is, it's something that we have here. We have this vegetable called kamo, K-A-M-O, and potato. Mix those two with butter. It slaps. But that was my carb load for the day, plus the steak I had. Bro, it's so good, bro. Massive love from England. Thank you, Laminated L. Brother, go to sleep too. Go to sleep too, my brother. Don't stay up too late for me. That we don't have in the US, but you do. I don't know. Fish and chip shop? Hello, Joseph. Okay. Let me put all these carvings back inside, because I think it's going to rain. Lucky that Gamer Fuel thing come through because I've cut out fizzies for the month. I've cut out fizzy drinks for the month again, chat. Why? Just cause. Is Kamo like a pumpkin? Yeah, it's a yellow one, but it's smaller. Oh, okay, TikTok. As we normally do, I'm gonna finish with you guys first. I hope you all enjoyed the TikTok stream today. Thank you very much for all the gifties today, whānau. And 108.7k likes too. And I'll see you all. What's tomorrow? Friday. Yeah, I'll see you all on Friday. I might ask my wife to go next door to her sister's so I can play Battlefield tomorrow instead, actually. Yeah, I'll be on Battlefield tonight, my bro. It comes out at 8. Kids go to bed at 8:30. Hopefully try and send the wife to bed at 8:30 too. But she'll probably tell me to fuck up and I'll have to wait till 9. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do tonight, hopefully. I've been waiting for Battlefield, bro. I'm more of a Battlefield fan than COD. So I'm ready. TikTok, have a good day, and I'll see you around. Namihino, have a good one. Don't yous go anywhere. Alright, how are we doing, whānau? Yeah, just saying goodbye to TikTok. Saying goodbye to TikTok, sending them on their merry way. Now it's stuck with you three now. How are we doing, whānau? I hope you all enjoyed the stream today. I know I normally try and go for the 4 hours. But, yeah, I'm hungry. That's why I'm not staying on for 4 hours today. Sorry, I know. Hungry much. And my tripod just come off. Okay. Interesting. Why though? Okay, no, it's good. It's good. Think you gotta watch another streamer play 30 minutes to get a code. Oh yeah, I got a code from one of the bros. They DM'd me. So I'm keen to run it. Let me know if you're gonna play it, and then I'll jam with you. I'll be keen to jam with some people from the chat. I'll be like. Also, unfortunately, I am going to be playing Fortnite again. I recently got over playing that game, and then they gave me a big FU by adding Power Rangers. Now I have to play it because it's Power Rangers. And if you get to level 100, you get the Green Ranger. Now I have to get to level 100 as well. I'm out here trying to collect all the Power Rangers like the Infinity Stones, chat. Yeah. Oh, shouldn't you be able to do that now, my bro? Like get a code? Yeah, I got a code like the other week. And because they asked, do you like Battlefield? See me fucking oath, I like Battlefield more than bloody COD. And I know it's crazy like that old one, so I'm keen to jam. So yeah, if anyone's got better, Fortnite was our COVID game, the only game that met new people. It was, I think the game that popped off the most in COVID was roleplay. Gotta wait until, oh true, so you have to wait till then to try and get a code. That's a bit shitty, eh? Oh wait, no, it makes sense. Where, so America can't get their codes till tomorrow? Or is it just 8 PM globally? NZ time. So I just started putting these chisels in this pack. Battlefield. Oh man, it's gonna be so good, bro, being back on Battlefield. No more camo grind. I'm just out here trying to hit those long range snipes. I think that's what I loved the most about Battlefield A was those long-range snipes. Oh yes, Among Us was another game. I forget about that game because I've never actually played it. Yeah, like legit never played Among Us in my life. Alright, YouTube. Kick. I'll see you later. Have a good one, eh?